In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows Store. Something happened on our end. Now what we want to do is first we just want to come down here and search for run. In here we want to type wsreset.exe. Now when you open this, it should open up the store and it's going to load a little bit like this. Now what it's doing is it's just going to open up the store in safe mode like this. Once we have done that, what we want to do is search for PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, run it as an administrator. I have it right here, and it should look something like this. Now in here you want to copy and paste this code. I'm going to put it in the description. And what this does, it will just reset the entire Microsoft Store and make it work again. So simply paste it, press enter, and then what you want to do is just wait. Now after you've waited a little bit, just give it like 30 seconds or 1 minute, what you can do is restart your PC, open up Microsoft Store, and it should hopefully work again. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.